It's videoing.
Come on.
Come on.
Oh look, hello.
Come on. I know you see it. Come on. Come on.
Aww. So he's cute.
What if we put fresh water in there? 'Cause that does look kind of nasty.
Yeah.
It looks like that ranch stuff.
Yeah, like that Italian ranch dressing or something. I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about. Nothing wrong. Oh, look at that fish. That fish is like...
One of them, did you guys take out the dead one?
She's like, oh, I see it.
I see water.
See, look at that fish. That fish is kind of looking at me.
I was like,
They come out.
That is funny.
Yeah, huh? Taking a bath?
yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is
Are you
funny.
gonna get them wet?
Can you actually teach it to speak, or what kind of birds can you do that to?
You gonna get them wet? Get them wet. That's because you know what this means. That means
Wow.
I'm putting you away.
She's like, oh darn.
I got
This is turtles. Dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it, dun. They're like puffy. She's like, no, don't put me away. That was funny. And a bunch of birds. Let's go over here and meet that ferret. There's one. Oh, hello.